bet you guys get great reception up here. Boy, they really didn't want me going in. Booyah! MJ, I'm at the 4th place on your list. They're not even trying to pretend they're legit.
It's just sad when criminals don't take pride in their work anymore. I'll see what I can find out.
有人是否走在街上？谁在？快点，好像有人进着。有人受伤了。刚刚是疯子。
Sweet dreams.
蜘蛛侠，干掉他！我队长。
The role of homicidal demons will now be played by more homicidal demons!
我们无从无尽！蜘蛛侠，时机到了！我们全部投降，要把大城碎片！ 我们会让这座城市
Reinforcements! Unless you're just Natalie dressed paparazzi? Yeah, I didn't think so.
跑不了，先搞定他的装备。
Peter, that location's a clearinghouse for donations to Lee's charities. Clothes, books. They're trucked in from drop boxes all over town.
Sounds like a perfect distribution network for drug running. Which it looks like is their real priority.
要上！
How do you backup guys get here so fast? I know it's not the 6th train.
人手榴弹吗？一块而上！看什么熊？别那个！
More demons. How do you guys tell each other apart? I mean, there's only so many mask variations. MJ, I've got the place locked down.
Great. I'll call in an anonymous tip. I bet if the police check out those drop boxes, they'll find something more interesting than secondhand jeans.